How to cut a video on iPhone. We will cover 2 essential methods to using a third-party app or cutting videos using iPhone. Native app. Method 1. Using a third-party app. Open the video editor application. To choose your video, go to Gallery or Videos. To make a new video, touch on Camera. The video editing screen displays once you have your footage. The trimmer part displays when you tap on the video timeline section. To trim off bits from the beginning and finish of your clip, use the sliders. Then, located in the top right corner of the screen, press the tick mark symbol. Finally, hit the upload sign to save and share your recording. Method 2. Cutting videos using iPhone native app. Open the Photos app on your phone. Choose a video from the collection. Then, in the top right corner of your screen, press the Edit option. Move the Start and Finish sliders on the editing screen to shorten the duration of your recording. Don't forget to tap Done. Then choose between saving the video as a new clip or saving the video as is. The Photos app will now store your video.